Hi friends, welcome to my channel Job Updates by Pharma. I give daily job updates on my channel for every sector, government sector, private sector, engineering sector as well as PSU jobs. If you have come first time in my channel, please subscribe my channel because it gives me motivation to prepare this type of new videos for you guys. And today's job notification is very good from and also have came from Google India, so it's a very good opportunity. So I'm happy to declared that Google India has published their notification for hiring freshers for the position of engineering intern. BE Tech, ME Tech can apply for this job. We will discuss in detail in this video. But if you have come first time in my channel, please subscribe my channel. So let's start this video. So you can see Google has published their notification in 24th November, and the job profile name is Application Engineering Intern Summer 2021. Your working location will be either Bangalore or in Hyderabad. And experience needed is freshers. Last date to apply is December 11th. So I am once again repeating. Last date is 11th December 2020. So if you are watching this video now, then go to the website and just apply for this job because this job will no longer stay after 11th December. So the minimum qualification required for Google India, currently you need to pursuing a bachelor degree in information technology, information system or computer science or any related technical field. You need to have currently in your penultimate year of study. That means you need to be in final year of your study. So 2021 batch can apply for this job. Experience in one or more general purpose programming language is needed. Preferred qualification for this particular off campus drive is experience programming in Java, C++ or Python, experience in system softwares or algorithm, as well as in SQL, Spring Hibernate, web services like RESTful, SOAP, JavaScript, etc. You need to be available to work full time for 12 to 14 weeks during the summer, returning to a degree program after the completion of the internship. About the job role as a application engineering intern, you will play a key role in developing, deploying, and supporting the Google's internal business application. You will be tasked with solving various problems over time. When the situation calls for it, you will be part of the team and you need to implement the vendor sourced enterprise software, etc. Other time, you will be a primarily tasked with creating custom built software. Google is always will be an engineering company. They hire people with a broad set of technical skills who are ready to address some technology greatest challenges. The responsibilities you need to perform there, you need to build internal solution, customer front end and back end services that automate business processes and maintain the highest levels of development practices including technical design, solution development. You need to help partners in their day to day challenges by delivering the innovative and scalable solution. Work closely with the analyst to translate business requirements, integrate third party softwares, and partner with internal team to define implement solution. So those the responsibilities you need to perform there. So if you click on the application link, you will be redirected to a Google form, and you can once again go through the notification here because it is mentioned here what is the basic criteria and what will be the job responsibilities, etc. So you need to click on apply from it here. It will be redirected to the application form. So you just need to choose your Google ID. So yeah, so after being signing in, it will give me an application form. So the form is loading. So you can see you need to select your resume by selecting the CV. Then you need to give it here the contact details like legal name, address, country, city, state, and also if you have any other email, and also your primary phone, and your educational details, and if you have any work experience you can give it here, and the country, city, state, and then the cover letter you need to give it here. It is optional, so you can leave it also. So after filling up this thing, you need to click on next. Then it will be redirected to the agreeing the conditions apply, those things. Then you can apply for this job. So this is the job updates from team Job Updates by Verma. So if you really like this video, then please subscribe our channel and also hit the like button for this video if you really like it, and don't forget to share this video with your friends. And please stay tuned with us and support us, because when we are updating new job updates you will daily receive it. And we also provide career guidance, so it will be very helpful to you. If you require this type of things, then you need to subscribe our channel. So that's it, my friend. Thank you. Have a great day. Take care, guys. Bye.